Okay.
Romeo and Juliet.
What?
Hey.
1700s like what?
Go. The love for Rosalie is now ended. The love for Juliet is just beginning. He thought she was his everything, but she was no different. His desire for Juliet makes her his kindred.
What? Okay.
They would die for each other just to be together. The everlasting love will burn forever. Romeo doesn't hate love, never he found it, because Juliet is the whole reason behind it.
Their fathers do not want to hear about their love or out of fear. Because they are foes, they must stay away. But their love grows stronger every day.
Just like the murder of her cousin, Juliet still gives him some good love. To travel near or far, her heart is no longer on guard. Romeo and Juliet!